Hello mga ka-Full fans, welcome to Full Masters reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, pag-uusapan natin itong laban ni Efren Reyes versus dito kay Xiao Langfang ng laban nila dito sa International Challenge of Champions. Semifinal ito guys, no? At si Fang ay isa sa pinakamagagaling din dito sa Southeast Asia na pool player. So si Reyes yung nanalo sa lag, nag-break siya pero walang na pumasok na bola, kaya si Fang babalik siya dito sa table. So hindi pumasok, no? Nagkaroon ng miss dito si Fang, kaya open ang table kay Efren Reyes. Nakakuha ng magandang ball position dito si Reyes, kaya siya pa rin yung magtutuloy dito sa rack na ito. Maganda ang ball positioning ni Reyes at medyo maganda yung position ng kanyang cue ball. Good shot para doon sa shot na yon. Si Xiao Langfang ay isang Chinese Taipei, no? Siya ay isa rin sa mga gagaling na pool player dito sa Southeast Asia. Bagamat ganun pa man, si Reyes naman ay pang-apat na ang kanyang world champion dito sa panahon na ito. So medyo dumikit itong ball number 6 at walang possible pocket dito si Reyes. Kaya pwede siyang mag-play safe dito sa laro na ito. So nag-play safe si Reyes, mukhang na-open ang table at mukhang dumiretso pa sa 9. Ito, tumago sa likuran ng 9. So medyo okay pa itong ball position, pero may kaunting window para maipasok ni Reyes itong ball number 6. So open ang table. Naipasok ni Fang itong 6 ball at maganda yung posisyon ng bola. Mukhang na-steal ni Fang itong rack na ito kay Reyes, no? Last ball para dito sa first rack, dito kay Xiao Langfang ng Taiwan Taipei. So 1-0 tayo dito sa laro na ito, over si Langfang dito sa rack number 1.
Off Corey Deuel, the 2001 Player of the Year. So any question about whether he can play was answered early.
Oh, without a doubt. He was behind 6-4 and came back and beat Corey 7-6. And he played super. I mean, he doesn't miss much at all. You know, he's a great player and he deserves to be here. And it's going to be a great match.
Well, that's the thing about the International Challenge of Champions, because $50,000 going to be on the line.
So si Langfang ang breaking dito sa rack number 2. Mukhang may pumasok ng isang bola doon sa side pocket, no? At mayroong possible shot dito si Langfang sa rack number 2. So dito pumosisyon itong one ball sa corner pocket at tingnan natin kung magawa niya ng paraan ito.
We talked earlier, you and I, Alan, about the break before this match started, and we'll develop that a little bit as we go along. These players' earlier matches, especially effort.
Yun, mukhang naduling doon si Langfang, hindi tinamaan yung one ball, no? So that is a foul. Ball in hand dito kay Reyes. At ito nga, wag na wag bibigyan ng ball in hand si Reyes. Kapag ganito ang kalat ng bola, sigurado mauubos niya yan. Si Reyes ay isa sa pinakamagagaling sa cue ball control, no? At kaliwaan pa kung tumira itong si Reyes. Nakita nyo naman doon, guys, ang lupit ng kanyang kaliwa, no? Mukhang makaka-run out dito si Reyes. So medyo sumobra ng konti at ganun pa man, manageable ito para kay Reyes. May konting harang doon sa likuran. Good shot at ang ganda ng ball control dito ni Reyes, no? Makita niyo yun, doon lang talaga gumapang yung bola. At ayun pa, pinakagat niya pa yung cue ball na yun doon sa pocket, no? At makita ninyo, pangiti-ngiti lang dito si Efren Reyes. Last 2 ball para sa rack number 2. Pasok yung 9 at nakatay dito si Efren Reyes. Kaya lang ang problema, hindi niya itinawag, no? Kaya foul doon si Reyes at isi-shoot ni Langfang itong 9 ball. At ang rules dito, kailangan itawag kung saan ipapasok yung bola. At ito nga, nasa table dito si Langfang at nasa spot ang 9 ball. So very disappointed doon si Reyes, panalo na pero na foul pa rin siya doon sa hindi niya pag-call sa 9 ball. Sablay pa rin dito si Langfang at mukhang nagkaroon ulit ng chance ito si Reyes. Ito, natatawa kung saan ipapasok, no? Kinol niya ulit itong 9 ball. Sablay si Reyes, kumalog, no, doon sa corner pocket at open para kay Langfang ito. Konting kadyot lang ito, pasok na. So ang score natin dito 2-0. Lamang si Langfang, no, sa match na ito. 2-0 ang score natin. So nagkamali doon si Reyes at hindi niya naitawag, no, yung 9 ball kung saan papasok. Isa yan sa rules dito sa match na ito. Dalawang bola ang pumasok sa side pocket, no? Both side pocket may pumasok na bola at ito nga nakaposition pa si Reyes dito sa ball number 2. Nice shot at maganda yung ikot ng cue ball. Eksakto sa angle para sa ball number 3. Smooth lang yung pagkakatira doon ni Reyes, no, pero ang ganda ng ball positioning niya. Good shot pa rin. At ito, last 4 ball ni Reyes. Nice pocket shot at mukhang makaka-run out dito si Reyes, no? Maganda yung pinapakita niyang tira dito. 8 ball sa corner pocket. At napakaganda nung kanyang ball position. Ayan, itinawag na ni Reyes kung saan papasok yung 9 ball. Pasok ang 9 ball at score natin dito 2-1 in favor of Xiao Langfang pa rin. So mukhang si Reyes ang magbe-break dito. This is an alternate breaking system. So si Langfang ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 4. Muntik nang pumasok yung to pero hindi pumasok. So dry break dito si Langfang. Back to table itong si Reyes. Pasok ang ball number 1. Nice draw shot with the konting backspin, no, para makaposisyon dito si Reyes. Good shot pa rin. So aiming si Reyes dito sa ball number 2 at maganda yung pasok ng bola doon. So pwedeng mag-combination dito si Reyes or magkarumbola. Tingnan natin, i-combine niya. Good shot. Maganda yung pagkaka-combination niya doon. Hindi naggumalaw yung sais. So maganda yung ball positioning dito ni Reyes at mukhang makaka-run out nga siya dito sa rack na ito. 8 balls sa side pocket. Nice pocket shot. So mabilis ang pag-score dito ni Reyes. Nakatay na siya kaagad dito kay Langfang ng all-2, no? So 2 racks even.
And how'd you like to be presented with this? The winner's check for $50,000 to our champion of champions being held by Michael Clark, the vice president of Oldhausen Billiards. And that is what you are watching, the International Challenge of Champions, the 12th annual.
So ito nga yung tinatawag na International Challenge of Champions, no? Si Reyes ang magbe-break sa rack number 5. Dalawang bola ang pumasok doon sa break na yun ni Reyes, doon sa corner pocket, no? At meron siyang magandang position dito sa ball number 1. Nice shot at good ball position din dito sa ball number 2. So mukhang nakakakuha ng magandang momentum dito si Reyes at magandang ball position. Last 3 ball dito sa rack number 5, si Reyes ang nasa table at maganda ang pinapakita niya ditong tira.
8 of the best players in the world, all of them champions. One loss, as Alan said, and you're gone.
A lot of pressure.
So 1 out of 8 is going to be really happy.
Wow, his speed is a little off, which I'm sorry to interrupt, but I just noticed.
Medyo sumobra ng konti, pero sabi ni Reyes dito sa kaliwa na corner pocket, papasok itong last ball.
You know, I guess when you're effort,
Good pocket shot, at ito nga nag-score si Reyes. 3-2 ang score. Si Reyes na yung leading dito sa match na ito.
in the second rack, he'd be up 4-1. As it is, 3-2 now for Xiao Lang Feng, who will have the break. Xiao Lang Feng at the table. Taiwan down 3-2 now in set number 1 against Efren Reyes. And he needs to stay at the table.
He
Try to
switched
get back into it.
Yes, which I'm sorry, he switched.
Si Lang Feng ang nag-break,
balls the same way Efren did.
at makita natin parang dry break na naman doon sa tira na yun, no?
Cue ball.
May konting posisyon dito.
Right by the corner, so all he has to do is make the one in the corner pocket. He should have position.
Ganun pa man, sumablay dito si Reyes at
Not.
mukhang naitago niya dito sa likuran. Pero tingnan natin kung may opening dito.
He wants to hit it again.
Well, the good thing about it is there's two views. It's bad that he missed the one, but it's good because Fung does not have a shot on the one ball. He's going to be forced, it looks like, to kick it unless he can get in between. Now, if he can shoot the cue ball between here, he can hit it. It looks like he can. If he hits it, he'll try to play safe. It'd be easy. 57. Oh, just came out a little too much. So now Efren will have a nice opportunity for one ball right here. Pocket the one ball on the side or the corner. Position number 2.
One of the big differences in this match so far is that Efren has had a chance to stay at the table and play. Xiao Lang Feng has not. Very, very
So maganda yung ball positioning dito ni Reyes. Ito, kinaliwa niya na naman. Konting backspin and draw shot para sa ball positioning niya.
He may play the 3 ball on the side nice and easy. A lot of spin on the cue ball. There's the spin. Notice the spin on the cue ball.
Ayos pa rin yung pagkakatira niya sa side pocket na yun.
How many balls do you think Efren Reyes has hit? No.
Wow.
I know all of you guys do, but
Well, you know, the Filipinos do play a lot of pool. There's nothing wrong with that. That's good.
and he started playing in 1974. We're talking about almost 30 years now. Really, really played some all different kinds of games.
When I used to get ready for a tournament, I would play 3 hours in the afternoon. I'd play 2, 3 hours at night. So you're used to playing day and night. You're talking about 5, 6 hours a day. So I imagine the Filipinos do the same thing. Playing, getting ready for a tournament. It makes you more fluent at the table. Just get up, practice, and make yourself ready to win. That's exactly what most of the champions will do. Get themselves ready to win. Here's a nice angle on the 8. Play the 8.
So maganda ang pinapakitang ball positioning dito ni Reyes.
And it doesn't seem to matter right now for Efren Reyes.
Nice pocket at ito na nga, mukhang makaka-run out na dito si Reyes sa ball number 9.
Beautiful shape here.
Reyes deposited yung ball number 9 at ang score natin ngayon guys ay 4-2, no? In favor of Reyes pa rin. So mabilis ang progress dito ni Reyes. 4-2 ang score natin dito sa set number 1.
Easy way that he has Efren Reyes looking very calm, very collected, even though there is $50,000 on the line if he moves into the finals against Mika Kiminen on the hill in the first set.
Yes, and been very successful making the one ball in the side pocket.
So tingnan natin kung may magandang opening dito si Reyes.
The 2 ball, so he's shooting the 2 ball in the corner pocket. Watch the cue ball here. It's not going to go too far, I don't believe. It's going to kill it. Come up
Nice cut, no? Kita niyo naman, diretso talaga yung tira na yun.
He just sliced that so thin.
low.
Ito, aiming si Reyes sa next object ball.
Just touch the 9. Doesn't touch the 9. Not safe. Here will probably just bring the cue ball up a little bit for the 4 ball. Came through the 8 and 6, making sure he has a shot on the 4.
If you're Xiao Lang Feng, literally, you are just sitting there right now because he hasn't made balls on the
the one big mistake he made when he missed the one ball, which he should have missed.
Nice
That tough of a shot.
pocket shot kay Reyes.
So I think that
At last 4 ball, no, maganda pa rin yung ball positioning dito ni Reyes.
rolled in, come down.
Walang kahirap-hirap yung sa side pocket para sa 6 ball.
Set ball, pocket. Keep an eye on the cue ball.
Long shot ng konti itong 7 ball. Pero ganun pa man, nagawa ng paraan ito ni Reyes at ang ganda ng ball positioning, no, dito sa ball number
This is just fun to watch.
8.
Not for Xiao Lang Feng.
Okay, minabadali ni Reyes dito at mukhang
And if Oligan Sun Efren called that
makaka-score na naman siya ulit dito.
5 consecutive racks at the first set. Goes to Efren Reyes 5-2. In this format, the loser of the first set will have the break. That will be Xiao Lang Feng of Taiwan. They will have a chance to get back into some of the very interested people inside the Wolf Den in Oligan Sun, Uncasville, Connecticut.
So score natin ngayon guys 5-2 at si Fang Chao, Fang Lang Fang ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 8.
Two of the best 9-ball players in the world. Xiao Lang Feng
May pumasok
needs
doon sa corner pocket
that break is a little more powerful.
at may possible na tira si Lang Fang dito sa next object ball.
Here's the cue ball and here's the one ball. And that's another thin cut. Possibly try to or play safe. He's smart, just trying to bank this and play safe.
Medyo alanganin dito yung tira, no, at makita natin pipinahin na naman ulit dito ni Lang Fao, no, itong bola na ito. Tingnan natin kung matamaan niya na this time.
If this were just normal format of say race to 9, race to 11, and Efren Reyes,
You know what happened there? He miscued. He tried to play safe. And he actually miscued, so things are not going too
that's
well.
the second time in the match that he's on the one. He's scratched and given him the ball.
Yan, makikita natin dito. So
Reyes on the other side.
tumitira si Reyes sa ball number 1. Tingnan natin kung ma-pull out niya ito na tapos na pasok ni Reyes yung ball number 1. At ito, mukhang kakaliwain niya ulit itong ball number 2.
Nice opportunity here in the first game.
Kaliwat kanan talaga. Oh, muntik na. Na yun, na-scratch si Reyes. Na-foul si Reyes doon sa tira na yun, no? At ball in hand dito kay
It's huge though.
Lang Fang. Kaya may chance si Lang Fang dito na makatapos ng rank.
It's going to be tough to come back. But this way, Xiao Lang Feng
Combination at medyo dumikit lang ng konti.
win this set. Go to sudden death tiebreak.
So maganda yung pinakita doon ni Lang Fang at mukhang makaka-run out siya dito sa rack na to. Maganda rin yung pinapakitang ball positioning ni Lang Fang at saka yung ball control niya para ma-minimize niya, no, yung mga angle para hindi mahirap ipasok.
Or unless you're left-handed.
You know, it's 30-second shot clock too. It makes you shoot look quickly too. Right? It's a good shot.
Well, this is big. Really, really big.
Last ball at naipasok ni Lang Fang, no, at ito score ulit sa kanya. 5-3 ang score. Si Reyes pa rin ang nangunguna dito sa match na ito. Si Reyes ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 10. So Reyes will break, no, and trying to clear up itong rack na ito.
Well, you have to appreciate this break. Here's the two ball. He popped the one ball on the side. There's the two ball. The three balls up by the side. Then the cue ball right by his hand. Right back where his hand was. That's perfect. You know, if he keeps making that one on the side, I can't see him getting
Ito makita natin na naka ball position dito si Reyes. Maganda yung pagkakapasok ng bola at nakaposisyon siya dito.
nice break.
Good shot. At ang ganda ng ikot ng bola, no? Maganda ang ball positioning dito ni Reyes at saka ng Engel, kaya malamang maka-run out dito si Reyes sa ball position na ito. So napaka-easy kay Reyes tumira, no, pero napakahirap talaga mag-control ng bola. So makikita natin dito yung pagka-veteran ni Efren Reyes. So last 2 ball, aiming sa 8 ball sa side pocket. So tinuro ni Reyes sa corner itong 9 ball. Good shot. So score natin dito guys 6-3, no? In favor of Reyes. So kalahati yung habulin dito ni Xiao Langfang at si Langfang ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 10. Maganda ang break dito ni Langfang at meron siyang possible shot sa ball number 2. Sa ball number 1. Sumobra yung ball control doon ni Langfang, no, napasobra at ganun pa man, nagawa niya pa rin ang paraan. Nice shot at mukhang makaka-score dito si Langfang, no? Maganda yung pagkakaposisyon ng mga bola. Mahusay yung kanyang positioning dito sa ball number 6. Eksakto sa ball positioning, no? Sa aiming siya dito sa ball number 8. Nice pocket shot. Ang ganda nung balik. Eksaktong-eksakto sa posisyon. Good shot. So nakahabol ng konti, no? 6-4 ang score natin dito at lamang pa rin si Efren Reyes.
On the board again, he's up 2-1 in set number 2. The magician Efren Reyes at the table.
Back to table si Reyes, siya naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 11. Ang score natin ay 6-4.
Efren won the first rack 5-2. If he should win this rack, he will move into the finals against Mika Immonen.
May pumasok na bola doon sa corner pocket. So si Reyes pa rin ang nasa table at maganda yung pagkakaposisyon. May possible pocket and shot. Pinadaan ni Reyes yun, no? Doon sa pagitan ng dalawang bola na yun. At ang galing talaga nung pulso doon ni Reyes.
Decided to just hit a little easy and play from the side pocket. It turned out perfect because he's straight in the side. Yeah, he's straight in the side pocket, so he'll be fine here. Just roll out for the 4 ball.
Good shot pa rin kay Reyes doon sa side pocket, no? At mukhang maganda yung pinapakita niya dito. This is a 9-ball race to 10 match. dito kay laban ni Efren Reyes versus Xiao Langfang ng Chinese Taipei dito sa Taiwan.
He will, Mitch. The players don't like to touch balls anyway while they're shooting.
Now, we were talking a bit earlier, you and I, about the fact
Good
that
shot pa
Efren
rin yung mga tira ni Reyes, no? Ang gaganda ng mga ball control niya.
second shot clock, he's picked up his pace. To me, it shows the incredible adaptability
Nice pocket.
of Efren Reyes, that even if he's not playing the pace that he would normally like to, he's still making it look this easy.
Correct. Oh boy, I thought he missed
Me
that.
too.
Muntik sumablay pero pumasok. Tinuro ni Reyes sa side pocket itong 9 ball.
He will adapt and he will do what he has to do to win.
At pasok ang 9 ball. Ang score natin ngayon guys ay 7-4. So in favor of Reyes.
It's getting interesting here in Connecticut.
So si Reyes ay nagdo-dominating na naman dito sa match na ito, no? Ahead siya ng 3 racks dito sa kanyang kalaban na si Xiao Langfang. So si Xiao Langfang ang mag-break dito sa rack number 12.
Set number 2. He needs this set to desperately stay in this and a chance to get to the finals. We'd have a sudden death tiebreaker if we were to win this set. Scratches
May
on the
pumasok
break,
na bola.
No, he threw the ball straight back in the corner pocket.
Ngunit na scratch, no, si Lao Fang dito sa kanyang
Except for the 7 and
break
9,
at
he's the
may
7
chance na naman si Reyes. Pangalawang scratch na yon ni Lang Fang. At ball in hand dito si Reyes. Pagkakataon niya na ito.
He goes from the 5. I'll show it to you when he
Pero
goes
kailangan niyang i-break yung dalawa doon sa gitna, no, yung naka
out a little. You may see him do it right here. You may see a nice shot where he's going to come off the rail and knock the set
sinisipat
down.
ni Reyes yung possible angle sa kanyang ball positioning.
9. Try and break him open if he can. I don't know if he can. No, he didn't have enough angle, so he'll just break him open with the 5 ball. Play the 3 and 4 in the same pocket.
He's biding his time, but every time he moves past that 7-9, he's looking at it.
Well, he has to because the 7 doesn't go in any pocket. He has to break it off. It's hard to tell Mitch, from up here actually.
So pumasok yun, no, at maganda itong position ni Reyes sa ball number
Play position in the
2.
side pocket. I don't think he's going to break it open yet.
I don't know if it can. I mean, it really looks tough from where we are.
Good shot pa rin at kailangan niyang ma-break itong cluster ball na ito. Tingnan natin kung be-break ba nga o hindi na.
It is. He played for the side pocket. I don't know if he got far enough.
He's shaking his head like he didn't.
Okay, he's going to try to play the 7 ball in the side pocket.
Side pocket. Tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ito ni Reyes.
Into the 8.
Nagawan pa rin paraan ni Reyes, no? Ang lupit nun.
6 gone on the break. 7 now. Here's the 8.
Ooh, he thought he
He
missed
thought he
that.
missed it. He stood up really quickly. But there's a lot of pocket there to work with sometimes. And Efren Reyes, he's shaking his head, but the bottom line is he gets.
So ito, score natin dito guys, no? 8-4 na ang lamang ng 4 na puntos dito si Reyes at siya pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 13.
On the break at a very inopportune time, tied 2 apiece. And now Efren leads 3-2 with the break to try to get on the hill. Chance to move into the finals against Mika Immonen. You watch the 12th.
May pumasok na isang bola sa corner pocket at may possible shot dito si Reyes.
How do you like that soft break? Here's the 1 ball, here's the cue ball. I'll play the 1 ball on the side or play a safety. I don't think he'll play a safety. He's offensive here. There's the 1 ball on the side. Back down table for the 2. Use the 4 ball.
Good shot pa rin si Reyes. Ang lupit ng long shot na yun, no? Pumasok at nagkaroon pa ng magandang ball preparation and positioning dito sa next object ball. Good shot para kay Reyes at ang galing ng stop ball niya doon.
Their business, and right now it has been Efren's business most of the time.
Okay, he's elected to take a little bit of the longer cut shot, but we'll see a slip slide stroke. So the cue ball over a slip slide, low English, low left English. Slide to 6 on the corner. Cue ball should go right around by the side pocket.
Nice shot. Ang ganda ng tin shot doon ni Reyes. Ito mukhang makakauna siya dito sa hill, no? At maganda ang ball positioning niya dito. Tinuro niya sa corner pocket itong 9.
Put some distance between himself and Xiao Lang Fang.
Pasok ang 9. Ang score natin ngayon, guys, ay 9-4 in favor of Reyes pa rin yan. At makita natin dito na dominating si Reyes sa laro ito. Si Xiao Lang Fang ang magbe-break sa rack number 14.
Needs to get this game or else this match is over. A big, powerful move at it, Alan.
He has pocketed the ball on the break.
So may pumasok na bola at maganda yung ball positioning niya dito sa next object ball at makita natin medyo kalat ang bola, no? So merong possible shot and pocket dito kay Lang Fang.
I asked Xiao Lang Fang if he played on TV a lot. You know what he told me? In Taiwan, Taipei City, where he lives, he plays every week on television. And he also does commentary.
Excellent.
Amazingly enough. So you can't say
Nice cut, no, doon sa tira na yon. At maganda rin yung positioning dito ni Lang Fang.
that he's playing against everyone.
You know, in this format, two sets raised to 5. Any one mistake or 2 mistakes can cost you the whole match. But here he has a little problem with position, I think, on the 5 ball. The 3 ball right here. If you play the 3 ball in the corner, probably try to bring the cue ball 1-2 rails and back down table for the 5 ball. He hit this pretty hard. There it is.
Nilakasan niya yung tira para makakuha ng ball position sa ball number 6. Number 5, nakuha niya naman.
Recognition that this is truly an international game. Only learns to speak English by watching movies on cable TV. Loves doing it, watching them in English.
Nice shot para doon sa 6 ball. So last 3 na lang itong si Lang Fang. Mukhang makaka-run out pa siya dito sa rack na to.
And this is a really
So maganda yung control, ball positioning sa 9. Mukhang nakatapyas pa ng isang puntos dito si Lang Fang, no? At pwedeng maging score natin dito 9-5 in favor of Reyes pa rin.
initiative of a very good rack at a tough time. That's what he needed to do. Right now it's out of his hands because Efren Reyes on the hill for the match as the break. And if you're Efren Reyes, this is exactly where you want to be. A chance to move into the finals of the International Challenge of Champions. Won the first set 5-2. We're up 4-3. The second set only needs to
So si Reyes ang magbe-break sa kanyang last rack. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out niya itong rack na ito at manalo sa match.
certainly of Finland now looking to do
9-5 ang score. Last rack ni Reyes. May pumasok sa side pocket. Soft break pero maganda yung pagkakapasok. At tingnan natin kung meron siyang possible shot sa ball number 2.
which is a big break for Efren. That's perfect. Come around for the 3 ball. In the side
that was
pocket.
dead center there.
Well, now you're going to see a nice little English shot. Here's the 3 ball. He's going to pocket the 3 ball in the side pocket. Bring the cue ball 1-2 rails, probably down table here or here for the 4 ball. 1-2.
So ang ganda nung control ni Reyes sa ball at saka dito sa positioning ng bola sa next object.
Where you're going to end up.
Speaking of chalk, put some of that on that cue. You want to take time to thank Viking, the official cue. The International Challenge of Champions. Take your best shot with Viking.
Nice pocket at mukhang maganda yung takbo ng bola dito. 5 sa corner pocket.
As if Xiao Lang Fang has played all of think for the players at home that think you have to hit the ball really hard to get some draw on it, that was a good example.
So maganda ang posisyon niya dito sa ball number 6.
It's the speed of the stroke. It's the action on the cue.
Nice draw and backspin para sa ball number 7. So maganda na yung ball positioning dito. Malamang makarun out na talaga dito si Reyes at may panalo niya itong semi-final round na ito para sa Invitations of Champion, no? So International Invitation Champion. So ito na, last ball para sa last track ni Reyes. Pasok. Thank you for watching.